ExpressVPN has a huge network, plus it's fast, secure, unblocks Netflix and just about everything else. Watch this full review video and make sure to check out the link in the description for ExpressVPN discount. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of ExpressVPN. Getting started with pros. Very fast speeds across all server locations. Advanced security on both apps and servers. Easily unblocks streaming sites from abroad, including US Netflix. Works in China and the UAE. Zero logs policy. 24/7 live chat support. Now let's talk about cons. May be challenging to inexperienced users. Would benefit from widely distributed audits. Slightly more expensive than rivals. Supports torrents, has no serious logging and confirmed by an audit, offers clients for everything, and is easy to use. In short, this is a quality VPN which delivers in just about every area. In my 2020 ExpressVPN review, I sought to find out whether the benefits really outweigh the cost. I tested the service on both desktop and mobile devices to answer these questions. How fast is ExpressVPN? Can ExpressVPN unblock region-locked websites, Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Amazon Prime Video? Is ExpressVPN safe and private? Does ExpressVPN work in China? I'll cover all that and more in this review. ExpressVPN offers dedicated apps for all major operating systems and devices, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS, routers, Chromebook, Kindle Fire and Nook. For encryption, ExpressVPN uses an AES-256 cipher with an RSA-4096 key and SHA-512 HMAC authentication. This is the highest level of encryption and is currently considered unbreakable, while also offering good performance. Additionally, ExpressVPN supports perfect forward secrecy negotiated through a Diffie-Hellman key exchange. ExpressVPN gives you the ability to select which VPN protocols you want to use directly in the apps. For the vast majority of cases, this will be the OpenVPN UDP protocol, which offers the best combination of speed and security. If you are experiencing connection problems on your network, OpenVPN TCP may be a better option. The IKEV2 protocol is also secure and fast. Since ExpressVPN keeps no logs and is headquartered in a privacy-friendly location, your torrenting activity or history cannot be leaked to anyone. It's safe to use with uTorrent or any other BitTorrent client, with guaranteed anonymity. DNS protection through ExpressVPN's own DNS on every server further protects you from leaks and revealing your torrenting activity. It's a solid choice for torrenting and P2P sharing, not just for security, but also for its speed and performance. ExpressVPN's headquarters are located discreetly in the British Virgin Islands. The good news is, the British Virgin Islands sit outside of the 5th of September 14 Eyes Alliance, meaning it's a privacy-friendly country. To use ExpressVPN in China, simply connect to one of the China-designated servers. These servers will automatically utilize an obfuscation protocol with the VPN app, thereby concealing the VPN traffic as regular HTTPS encryption. This easily gets through the Great Firewall and censorship efforts. It has 3,000-plus servers, 160-plus locations and servers in the US, the UK, Australia, Japan, the Netherlands, Canada, and more. Some locations have more servers than others, and the service offers the best coverage in the US, with 20-plus servers in over 15 cities. By comparison, private VPN only offers servers in 9 US cities. This means you can specifically select a server nearer to you within a certain country, so you can enjoy better speeds, lower latency, and more reliability. ExpressVPN doesn't just make vague claims about its unblocking abilities, it actually tells users the platforms. It supports Netflix, BBC iPlayer, Amazon Prime, Disney+, Google, Wikipedia, YouTube and others, more than 25 services in total. It's good to see a provider being upfront about what it's claiming to do. If you need a good VPN that works with Netflix and other streaming services, then ExpressVPN is a great choice. It is one of the few VPNs that continues to work with Netflix, providing 24/7 access. This is a top-quality VPN which exceeded our expectations in everything from platform support and privacy, to ease of use, unblocking abilities and its excellent support. It is a polished, powerful and professional service. If you are ready to buy the ExpressVPN, then make sure to get it from the link in the description for a discount. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon to stay updated with the latest review videos. Thanks for watching.